Alright guys, this is Coach Fred once again. I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to unload or load a box that's 180 pounds.
Right, this shit crazy, this shit crazy.
I'm going to show you guys my equipment. I'll show you guys here. Here's my equipment right here. I'm going to assemble it to you guys. Alright, here we go. Let me assemble it. As you can see, that's pretty easy to put together. Alright, get on this side. Push down on this. Then switch this lever, go up. I'm gonna put this down first. You notice it doesn't touch the tailgate. I'm gonna adjust the box. What's in here is 3 bags of dog food, and they're 50 pounds a piece. And then the rest of the spaces here are filled with canned goods, dog food canned goods. It's about 180 pounds. So without this gizmo here, I won't be able to put this in the back of my truck. Not at all. So with the help of my gizmo here, I can put this on top of my truck, and then I can unload it. Just this. Put in my cardboard so I don't scratch it. But it doesn't scratch it, but I'm just paranoid about my truck. So I'm going to raise it up. I'm going to spin it this way. So with this lever here, if I pull the lever up, I crank up. I put the lever down, which is pointing down. Let me show you. Bring it over here. Show you guys how it works. Here, if it's pointing down, it's gonna ratchet down. point it up this way, I'm gonna ratchet up. Now, I'm controlling it. It's not hard to control. I'm just holding it so it doesn't slide off. Alright, that's pretty much it. Alright, if you guys have any questions, and if you guys like this material, give me a like, give me a comment, and please subscribe.